Aloha, dear sister. I am so glad you clicked through from the last video. And in that short video, I asked if you feel spiritually awake, but soul tired. Like you have done so much inner work, and yet you find yourself still pushing from the old ways that are just not working anymore, and with all this uncertainty around us. And this is why I created this Aloha workshop, because so many women in midlife or beyond have told me the same thing. They are tired of feeling like they still have to fix themselves or learn something. They're tired of carrying everything alone and tired of living inside a fault-finding world that never lets them rest. There's always one more program or one more thing someone is telling them they have to do. And they are longing to connect and trust their own inner knowing, but are not sure how to find their way back to it. Is this you? If so, that's why I've created this small, intimate workshop, The 3 Keys to Finding Inner Peace Through Trusting Your Own Knowing, where I will guide you through 3 simple, practical keys from the Heart of Aloha System to help you calm your nervous system, reconnect with your own inner authority, and find your next step forward in a gentler, more feminine, heart-led way. You will leave with doable and simple voice medicine tools to begin your journey of speaking yourself home. It's a small hybrid workshop, women in midlife or beyond, meeting in person here in Spartanburg, South Carolina, and online via Zoom, Tuesday, June 16th at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And the investment's only $27. If this speaks to your heart, all the details and registration link are right below, right in the comment below. I would love to have you with us. Ke Aloha Mau Loa. I'm Kumu Kaleo.